Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a flight in the Frontier Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the book flights button at the bottom of the page. So first you have to select the departure airport, so you can search for it, and then you have to set the arrival airport as well, and then you have to set if it's a one-way trip or a round trip. If it's a one-way trip, then you have to set the date of the departure, and apparently if there are no available flights, then you can't do that. So in this case, just try to search for a different location, and in this case there's available. And then you have to set the passengers, so the number of, for example, lap infants or just simply passengers traveling with you. And then you can set to search by dollars or miles, so just choose that one, and then just click on the search button, and it takes a bit of time to get the searches. And here they are. So you will find all the information, the deals, the prices, and the total price of it. And if you're okay, then you can book that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.